bless up, big up on the cell people. I don't know what the thing go. Well, people have some breaking news right now, you see it? Yeah man, some tough news you know. Cause everybody know from Montego Bay, and everybody will know follow up the police force, and they must say about karate got Georgie. You know what I mean? Them man there's a retired top man, you know. When the police them never used to play with kick down boy and kick out gun out a boy, and even recently people the other day then that circulate or something where they must say your karate God Georgie kick down the next man. Well people, sad news for karate Georgie and the whole family and everybody people. Because when I'm son was cut down in Montego Bay people by a gunman. You understand? Yeah man, when I'm son was killed people, and they must say that happening at the day now people where 4 man alongside karate George's son was at a local building people chilling and thing, you know what I mean? When them 2 man just pop up on them and start fire several shots. Shots hit 2 of the man them, including karate George's son people where he died, you know, them carrying to hospital, him die, and them say a license man did not a crew with them and he managed to fire shot off of the boy them, but the boy them managed to run and escape people. So it's just a sad thing if you know, so yo, people have just a cut out like that, you know what I mean? It's not a good look people, and you know what I mean, you just stay away. Cause even in a Montego Bay, you know, people it's not the same day today now, a taxi man them lick out right at the gas station in the town, lick him out clean, pan his spot him gone, not no trace, not no left. You know what I mean? So the killing thing in a Jamaica, it's yo, me not like people, it turn upside down. You see it? And we have to talk about things like them there. So anybody who go say yo newlink, every day killing, me have to talk about it. You understand? If you know and watch it, you know, click it and pass it and go on. Get me? Because we have to talk about them, yeah. Because we want the youth them to stop it. You see me I say? No man, enough is enough now man. See? When you can't let people to come and make karma take them instead of here comes a boom man. Because I know a thing going on. I know say, as me tell a lot of them killing a people, a mix up and people in a mix up and bangarang sometimes cause it, you know. You understand? Sometimes a man did and he go do certain things and stop him own life where he even know, you know. Him cause things upon himself, you know. Sometimes them go mess with the wrong set of people them. You get me I say? Because them tell us say unfair game they will play what. You understand? So some man feel like they want to go around other people in the thing, and then so it go. See? Imagine people, some yo, I can't tell you this so. Some of them killing for something we have to wonder people, cause just look at it now. 2 man comes a boom now, come together, right? And them say, yeah, we are going to start and kick off a local business. When the business reach certain level now, people, one of the other man want to take over the business, and I remember say the 2 man them put the money, I 2 of them put the money half and half and eventually him take over the business now. My boy did the broke and stress out now. We expect him to go there now, people. You know see it now? Now this man now where to take over the business now. Fly out, gone a foreign now. Zine, left you all and pity them a yard and everything now. We expect now, people. I think him man a go take it easy. The man a plan now, man a say, boy, look there now, me stress out and everything. You see it? A son of a them thing I go. Remember, read between the lines, as me I tell you, say, no for them look a thing away, see a go on a yard. Nobody believe say them just a go on like that. You know what I mean? A whole heap of things to it. But you don't know a thing of people. We didn't even have to say too much, because they don't know it go. You understand? We just keep it attacking. Blessings, people. Enough love, enough respect, peace. I'm out. Big up on yourself. Driving right now, people. Big up.